Hi guys, and welcome to Bali Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how to make money online, and just generally how you can gain financial freedom for yourself. In today's video, I want to share with you a company that is currently hiring, which is perfect for somebody who's either looking for a full-time job and or is looking for a part-time job. This company is quite worldwide, guys, as it has offices in over 100 cities worldwide. Not only that, what I like about them is the fact that they have both internal opportunities that you can explore, and they also have freelance opportunities for somebody who's looking for a second income stream online and or just a passive way for you to make a bit of money online. Before we can dwell into this video, please just reward me for all the work that has gone into this video by just hitting the like button so that this video can do well on YouTube's algorithm. And also, if you haven't already, just click that red subscribe button so that you can join our community and never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Bali Talks. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. The company that I want to share today that has opportunities for both full-time as well as part-time job employment is called TransPerfect. TransPerfect has been in existence for more than 30 years, basically working in the linguistics, media, IT, as well as recently AI industry. Some of the work that they actually produce relates to translation and language, which has a lot to do with the freelance part of the jobs that we're actually going to talk about. They also do global brand management, content creation and management, customer support, digital content, as well as media. So there's a wide range of variety of job opportunities that you can find on a company just like TransPerfect, which you can explore from anywhere in the world. Whether you're looking for a full-time job and or you're looking for a side hustle or a second income stream and a passive way for you to make money online. When we come to this about section, you're going to see a lot of their tabs here. I'm just going to focus more on the locations as well as the careers tab so that we can look into what they actually do at TransPerfect. I'm going to come back to this locations tab to show you guys where exactly they actually are available around the world, because again, they operate in over 100 countries. For now, we're just going to focus on the careers tab, where we're going to look into the internal job opportunities that they have available, as well as what being part of their freelance family is all about. We're just going to click this Work at TransPerfect tab so that we can get a bit more understanding about what TransPerfect actually is, what they do, and how you can actually position yourself as somebody who can get a career with them. TransPerfect says you can grow with them by joining their team of linguistics, project managers, developers, sales professionals, engineers, as well as many other rock stars. Again, this company provides both internal job opportunities as well as freelance job opportunities. TransPerfect is composed of an international group of committed individuals dedicated to being the world's leading enabler of global communications. For me, this international group always screams global, available to anyone, available to everywhere in the world, just so long as one, you probably belong in the countries that they operate in, or two, you have the skills that are eligible for you to actually join their freelance family. TransPerfect has 120 plus global offices with 7,500 employees in over 46 countries. Their success is a result of the hard work and commitment of the most loyal and dedicated team of employees in the industry. They are the ones most responsible for creating and sustaining their culture of growth, which is basically what you would be doing if you were to position yourself to be somebody who can actually get a job on TransPerfect. They also have this 3-minute video here that you can check out when you come onto their website that will explain a bit more about what it takes to be part of the TransPerfect family. TransPerfect says joining them is about more than just getting a job, whether it's something as big as an organized company outing or holiday party, which obviously will relate to the people that are actually physically able to get internal jobs, or something small like sharing a catered team lunch, unwinding in a rec room, or being part of one of our affinity groups. Working at TransPerfect carries with it many perks. Each of our 100 plus offices has its own individual identity, and each also has its unique rewards. Coming back to this About Us tab, I just want us to look at the locations that are available on a platform like Transcript. Some people on this video, if you're still on Bali Talks, are going to be very happy to find out that there's offices actually in their own country, and you guys are just going to see. I'm going to minimize this map here so that obviously we can get a wider view of the world as well as the offices that they actually offer. There's a lot of orange going on there in America for obvious reasons. This is an American company, as well as in Canada, as well as Brazil, a bit more here in the north, as well as going all the way to Korea, a bit of China, Australia, Afghanistan, Sudan, Pakistan for my Pakistanians. And then because obviously I'm based in Africa, it's usually my concern to make sure that the jobs that we share here are actually opportunities that can also be available to my people all the way in Africa. So the good news that I've been waiting to share is the fact that this company is actually also available in Nigeria, because I've seen a lot of people from Nigeria trying out some of the websites that I suggest, and they come back and say, no, this is not available. Guys, you do not have an excuse anymore. This TransPerfect, it hires all the way in Lagos. They even have a physical office in your country. So you can either be someone who's eligible for more of their internal positions if they currently have those open, or you can position yourself as somebody who can join their freelance positions, either doing translation and or linguistics works. Of course, they are also available in South Africa with more or less the same types of opportunities that I just explained with regards to working in Nigeria and or from anywhere in the world. So no matter where you are, I'm sure TransPerfect could have a position for you, whether on a full-time basis and or on a freelance or part-time basis. The next part of our video is actually going to be focusing more on what it means for you to be part of their freelance family, what kind of job that you can expect to be doing, how you can actually join the freelance company, and also the kind of money that you could potentially make as a freelancer. So basically, as a freelancer, your work is going to be focused more on this tab here, which relates to translation and language services. You could be translating documents. You could also be working with AI in order to make sure that their system is trained for the translation work that relates to AI and machine. You could work in interpretation, you could work in language and cultural training, multilingual staffing, and or labeling and regulatory consultation. So if you're somebody who speaks more than one language, which basically means you speak more than just English, you potentially speak your native language in the country that you're based in, and or in whatever languages that they might require, say maybe French or Portuguese, etc., you are eligible for you to be able to get a job on a platform like TransPerfect on a part-time basis, just doing the translation work. I often like focusing on freelance opportunities because I feel like they are the ones that are actually a bit more remote, in the sense that they are not region and or country specific. You are basically going to be hired from anywhere in the world in order for you to work as a translator and or a linguistics on TransPerfect. Based on my research, as a translator on TransPerfect, you could easily make an average of $27. And even though this is a United States average, I do want to believe that it's an average that applies to a bigger part of the world as the rate that you can expect to get paid as a translator on TransPerfect. So how does one basically go about being a translator on a platform like TransPerfect? You come onto this About tab, switch all the way to this Careers tab, and scroll down to this Join Our Freelance Family tab so that you can find out how you can actually join. Once you click this Join Our Freelance Family tab, it takes you to this very sweet and short form that allows you to be able to create your account. My assumption is that they are going to actually email you. Once you've put your email, they're going to email you a verification link so that obviously you can verify your email and they can know that you're a real person, and then also be able to then access the TransPerfect gateway as a way for you to fill out your other personal details, in a way for you to apply for the translator job. But I just feel like it's a very easy way for you to be able to make money online, all the way up to $27 per hour, working from anywhere in the world. What I like about the company is the fact that they are always hiring for these translator positions, and also they do have job opportunities for other people from around the world if you're looking for something a bit more freelance. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of today's video. If you're somebody who's looking for more of a full-time position, you could always come onto their platform and click this Join Us tab in order for you to explore the different internal positions that are available. I just thought, instead of focusing on them, because they are more country and region specific, let me focus more on the freelance opportunities, which are open to a wider variety of people from around the world. And as always, I wish you guys all the best in finding a second and or a full-time job online in order for you to be able to make some money for yourself. If you've enjoyed this video and you found it valuable and you feel like it is information that you could potentially use, please don't be shy to hit the like button so that this video can do well on YouTube's algorithm. And also, if you haven't already, please just hit that red subscribe button so that you can join the Mali Talks community, and also keep your notifications on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens on this channel. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys in the next Mali Talks video. Cheers!